So for this problem, to evaluate the integral of exponential function in 3 seconds or using the shortcut method, so since the integral of e to the power u du, this is equal to e to the power u plus c. So for this given, so using the shortcut method to evaluate the integral, so since the derivative of 3x is 3, so therefore this is equal to 1 over 3. Then using this formula, e to the power u, or this given, so e to the power 3x plus 5, then plus c. Then for this given, to evaluate the integral, so since the derivative of 6x to the power 2, this one is 12. So we have 1 over 12. Then copy the given e to the power 6x squared minus 7, then plus c. Then for this given, so to evaluate the integral, so first, we need to put this constant outside. So we have 8, then over the derivative of 4x, this one is 4, then copy this given e to the power 4x minus 3, then plus c, then we need to reduce this 8 over 4, this is equal to 2, then we have e to the power 4x minus 3 plus c. Then for this given, so again, put this constant outside, so this is 7, then over the derivative of 5x squared, this one is 10, then copy the given e to the power 5x squared plus 4, then plus c. Then for this given, so first, we need to rewrite this radical in exponential form, and this root becomes the denominator of the exponent. So this becomes the integral of e to the power of 2x, then over 3, then the dx. So to evaluate now the integral, so since the derivative of 2x to the power 3, so the derivative is 2 over 3. Then we need to find the reciprocal of this 2 over 3. So the reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. Then copy this given e to the power 2x over 3, then plus c. And for this given, so first we need to rewrite this radical in exponential form, but put this constant outside. Then we have the integral of e. So this root is the denominator. So e to the power 3x over 5, then the dx. Then to evaluate now the integral, so bring down the constant, then times. So since du is 3 over 5, then take the reciprocal. So this is 5 over 3, then copy this exponent or the given e to the power 3x over 5, then plus c. Then to simplify, so this 5 times 5, this one is 25, then over 3, then we have e to the power 3x over 5 plus c.